Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here x plus 89 over x is 19. Then we have to find x minus 9 whole power 21 minus x minus 10 whole power 21. Given that x cannot be 0. So let's get started by writing here required expression equal to e first. Now we will multiply our known equation by x both sides. So we will get x times x square plus x times 89 over x 89 equal to 19x. Or we can write x square minus 19x plus 89 equal to 0. Now we can add 1 to both sides so that our LHS would be x square minus 19x plus 90 and RHS would be 1. Now we can factorize our LHS as we can split minus 19x as minus 9x minus 10x. Then we have plus 90. RHS is 1. Now from first two terms we can take x common. So x minus 9 will be in the bracket. From last two terms minus 10 is common. We will get x minus 9 in the bracket equal to 1. Now x minus 9 is common. So we will get factorization x minus 9 times x minus 10 equal to 1. Now we'll be using substitution. Let us say x minus 9 equal to a, x minus 10 equal to b. So from here I can write our first equation ab equal to 1. Then we have to evaluate e in terms of a and b because x minus 9 is a. So we will write e will be equal to a power 21 minus b power 21. This is our target expression. So I will write here ab equal to 1, our first equation. Target expression is a power 21 minus b power 21 and our substitution is x minus 9 equal to a and x minus 10 equal to b. Now we will find a minus b value. So I need to write x minus 9 minus x minus 10, which will give us x minus 9 minus x plus 10. So plus x minus x will be over. We will get 1. So I will write here our second equation a minus b equal to 1. This is our equation number 2. Now our target expression is a power 21 minus b power 21. Now I will consider our second equation. Let me write here a minus b equal to 1. I will consider squaring both sides. So I can get a minus b whole square equal to 1 square. Using formula, we will get a square plus b square minus twice ab equal to 1. Now our first equation was ab equal to 1. So I will put here ab equal to 1. We will get a square plus b square minus 2 equal to 1. By adding 2 to both sides, we will get a square plus b square value. Value will be 3. Now we will cube both sides. So after cubing both sides, we will get a minus b whole cube equal to 1 cube. We will use algebraic formula a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab times a minus b will be equal to 1. Now using equation 1, ab is 1. Using equation number 2, a minus b is also 1. So we will get a cube minus b cube minus 3 times 1 equal to 1. Or a cube minus b cube minus 3 equal to 1. So we will get a cube minus b cube value, which will be equal to 4. Now we are going to consider squaring once again. So I will write here a square plus b square equal to 3. And we will write here a cube minus b cube equal to 4. Now we will square both sides. Using formula, we will get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times a square b square will be equal to 9, which we will write a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times ab whole square equal to 9. Now ab was 1 as per equation 1. We will get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 times 1 square equal to 9, or we will get a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 equal to 9. Now we have to subtract 2 from both the sides. We will get a power 4 plus b power 4. Value will be 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So we will write here a power 4 plus b power 4 equal to 7. Now we are going to multiply these two equations. Let's say this is our equation number 2 and this is our equation number 3. Now we have to multiply these two equations. So I will write a power 4 plus b power 4 times a cube minus b cube equal to 7 times 4. Let's multiply. We'll get a power 7. Once we will multiply these two terms, if we will multiply these two, we are going to get minus b power 7. Then cross product term would be a cube b power 4 minus a4 b cube equal to 28. Or we can write a power 7 minus b power 7. We'll take minus a cube b cube common. So in the bracket we can get a minus b equal to 28. Now a cube b cube will be writing ab whole cube. So minus of ab whole cube times a minus b equal to 28. Now a minus b is 1, ab is equal to 1. So we can write here a power 7 minus b power 7 minus 1 cube is 1, a minus b is 1. So we can write here minus 1 equal to 28. Now we have to add 1 to both sides to get the value of a power 7 minus b power 7. Value will be equal to 29. Now our target expression is a power 21 minus b power 21. So I need to consider cubing both sides. So I will write here a power 7 minus b power 7 whole cube equal to 29 whole cube. So I will write here a minus b whole cube formula. I will get a power 21 minus b power 21 minus 3 times a power 7 times b power 7 times in the bracket a power 7 minus b power 7 will be equal to 29 cube. Now this is 29. A times b is 1. So we will write here a power 21 minus b power 21 minus 3 times 1 power 7 times 29 equal to 29 cube. Now we will write here, this is our required expression. Let me write once a power 21 minus b power 21 minus 3 times 29 equal to 29 cube. Now we will add 3 times 29 to both sides. And let us write here E, required expression E. We will get 29 cube plus 3 times 29. Now 29 is common. We will take 29 common out. So we can write here 29 in the bracket 29 is square plus 3. Now 29 is square is 841 plus 3. We will get 29 times 844. If we will multiply both the numbers, we are going to get 24,476. So our required answer is 24,476. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.